So this lesson comes after people have responded to your survey. So what we're going to do today is use the summary of responses page to view graphs, and then also open your survey spreadsheet. It'll let you examine the data a little bit more detail. So a couple of things to note here. The quantitative data is really easy to read in the summary of responses page. They're made easily for you, so you don't have to do anything. You're going to look for general patterns in the responses. You're going to look at the qualitative answers, and probably be good to type a list of those responses to use in your essay. And then when you're in your spreadsheet, there's a feature called wrapping text. It'll help so that your text doesn't get cut off in each column. And then finally, just think about how will you use the responses that you got for your persuasive essay. So I'm going to use a form that I made earlier this year to gather information about if kids were able to use the library catalog. So what you'll do is click on the responses button, and this will give you a quick view of how people answered each question. And the nice thing is it makes graphs for you, so you can kind of get a quick overall response. However, if you want to delve a little deeper, you can click the green spreadsheets icon. It'll ask you the first time you do it, do you want to make a new spreadsheet? You'll just click yes. So here you'll see each question is listed, but you'll also notice that it's kind of a little bit annoying because each column has a question, but it's cutting off the text. So what you can do is select the column and come up to the text wrapping button and choose the second one. So what you'll see that it does, it puts everything within the confines. A shortcut, if you want to do all of them at once, would be to click the first column. You're going to click and drag to select all the columns, and then go up and do them all at once. So that's just a kind of a tip of a shortcut. So what this will let you do again is see specific people's names with how they answered your question. It also gives you an easy way if you wanted to copy and paste information, especially the qualitative answers, into a document that you can use for your persuasive essay. Finally, when you're finished with this, what I'd like you to do is explain what your data is telling you. What do you notice? And then also with your partner, talk about looking back on your survey. What are some things you could improve on next time if you were to make one again?